We are going. First beat remake of the year. I'm sure you can see we're representing with the purple. I love Dave Blunts. Now, Bundle of Sticks. Both the name and the lyricism are definitely questionable. However, as a producer, we have to pay respect. The beat goes hard, right? I had to do it. So here we go. And it loops. So yeah, why did I decide to do this? Well, for starters, questionable lyrics. I'd love to hear someone else take this beat and do another one. I don't know, he'll grow as an artist. That's a thing, right? But it's also a really nice beat aside from the lyrics, right? So I just kind of wanted to have that, right? Let's look at the trumpets. It's probably the most fun part because it's not very often you get to do like a whole flippin' orchestral section for a track like this. That main trumpet part's the main thing, the flute's coming later. There's like a little bit of crossover. I probably could have put that in the trumpets one, but the orchestral equivalent of an 808, the humbled French horn. Amazing. And then you got your droney trombone underneath that all together. Flute with the now this flippin' synth. Oh god, this took so long to figure out. I still don't like it. I think it started with reverb on it and turned it off. It sounded way better. Right. Yeah, no, there's a little... There's like more little stuff with that synth like throughout the track. I just didn't do it because this is like a copy paste kind of thing. I'll probably do more if I actually drop the instrumental. 50 likes, standard. Right, let's look at the kit. Blunts kit. I have saved this. Every time I make a beat specifically, or like a beat remake, or a track I make where I like the kit, I'll save it. So we start very simple with the closed hi-hat and the open hi-hat. I feel like there should be like a ping with it. I couldn't find a ping. And I was already like too deep in. Maybe I'll add it. And then, okay, so that snare, that took like 10 minutes. I believe I had to quantize it to triplets first and then undo that. Yeah, there it is. I don't think I've ever had to do that before, especially not for a beat. It's pretty crazy. It's not part of the kit itself. It had to be on its own track so I could give it the and it still sounds a little bit off. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta run with it. 808, nothing too special. I don't know if it was me or the headphones I was using. I think I was playing out of my speakers first, out of my Mac speakers first, but it felt like the lower end or the kick part of the 808 rather than like the pitchy part of it stood out a little bit more, so I put a kick underneath it, and then we got I don't know why I have that soloed. And then it completely changes up to a very, I don't know. I wouldn't have expected it, put it that way. It goes from like triplets to maybe that's what makes it stand out so much. Now, again, throughout the verse, there's definitely a lot more variation in what these claps do at the end of each phrase, but again, didn't get around to it. But that is there for me to do more if need be. Is that pretty much it? Yeah. Dave Blunts, Bundle of Sticks, Shimachine Productions, Beat Remake. Like, subscribe, comment more beats. 500 soon. Be one of them.